Listen children, first one, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus sin x minus 1 divided by x. Now I will make separation of e power x and minus 1. I took e power x minus 1 by x minus sin x by x. Why? Because we have the formula like this. Its value is 1 and its value is sin theta by theta. When theta tends to 0, 1. So 1 minus 1, it goes to 0. Your 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by b power x minus 1. Okay, make the formula. To make the formula, I want x there. So divide numerator and denominator by x. So limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. This is bigger by b power x minus 1 by x. So once again x cancel, you will get the same thing. Okay, apply this formula. Log a to the base e, log a log b to the base b is equal to log a by b. This is your result of that one. Limit x tends to 0, cube root of 1 plus x minus cube root of 1 minus x. And limit x tends to 0, I can write this one 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3. So adding 1 and subtracting 1 in the numerator, and to make in such a form 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. Minus, if you take minus common from that, 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. Now, separating with x. If you take the LCM, once again you will get the same value. Okay, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 power 1 by 3. I can write this x as 1 plus x minus 1. I took this minus 1 as here. It can be plus, after that minus x, adding 1 and subtracting 1 in the denominator, you got this value. Now it seems to be in the form of limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a, formula n 1 n into a power n minus 1 is the formula. So I can write 1 by 3, the power is 1 by 3, 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 power anything is that only. So 1 only, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 is your required answer. Now limit x tends to infinite is given. Only in numerator you have square root. Whenever you got the square root, what we have to do? You have to take the rationalizing factor for that. Okay, limit x tends to infinite, root over x square plus x minus x, root over x square plus x plus x. Take the rationalizing factor, where here minus is there, with the plus sign you have to take. So that I got a plus b into a minus b square, and root cancel for this. X square plus x minus x square is the value, and x square and minus x square plus x square will be cancelled in the numerator, and the denominator will be like this, and x is a remaining term in the numerator, x by root over x square. I took x square common from this. What it will become? X square into 1 plus 1 by x, where x square is not common, there it divides, na? X by x square, it cancel 1 by x, you will get here, plus x. Now totally x square, square root of x square is x outside. Take x common, x by x, root over 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. So x will be cancelled, 1 by root 1 plus 0 plus 1. So you will have 1 by 2 as a result for that. Okay, now we will go further. Listen children, first one, show that limit x tends to 0 plus 2 mod x by x plus 1 is equal to 2. We have to show that value is 2. As x tends to 0 plus, plus ante, it shows the direction. It is coming from the positive side to nearest to 0. It is approaching 0. Not exactly 0. It is approaching 0, from positive infinite to approaching 0. That is the meaning of that one. Whereas x tends to 0 plus means it is approaching 0 from the positive side. When positive, mod x is defined as x if x is greater than 0. And wherever mod x is there, you have to substitute x there. And limit x tends to 0 plus 2x by x plus x plus 1. X will be cancelled there. 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3 is your answer for that. That is nothing but your result for that. And compute limit x tends to 2 plus step x plus x, comma, limit x tends to 2 minus step x plus x. Okay. RHS. This is RHS. We can say that when limit x tends to 2 plus step x plus x, as x tends to 2 plus, then step x tends to. What is actually step x is? takes the integer values. This is 1 and this is 2. It is approaching near, okay, near to 2. What is the value of step x within 2.5 or 2.1? It gives a 2. So that step x tends to 2 is your answer when it is approaching from the right hand side. Okay, that is 2 plus x is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now LHL, this one, left hand side. This is right hand side. Limit extends to 2 minus. 2 minus means it shows the direction. It shows the direction. This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So it is approaching from negative side to nearest to 2. Nearest to 2. Limit extends to 2 minus step x plus x. As extends to 2 minus, then step x tends to. Step x, it is approaches to 1.999. Exactly it is not 2. So 1.99 it gives as 1 itself. Step x is nothing but a greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. So it will be taken as only integer. It left the fractional parts. So it approaches to 1. Limit extends to 2 minus 1 plus x. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we got this value as a 3. And right hand side 4, left hand side value is 3. Now if you go for limit extends to 3, x square plus 3x plus 2 by x square minus 6x plus 9. Whenever we are substituting the limit, if you didn't get 0 by 0 form and infinite by infinite form or 1 power infinite, okay, infinite power 0, such things are indeterminate forms. If it comes, you have to go by deduction process or formula, by using formula or by using derivative, L'Hospital rule, all these things we have to use. Otherwise, the result is itself your answer. It may be infinite, it may be 0, it may be 5, it may be 7, whatever. Okay. Now see, limit extends to 3 and go for substitution first. 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18. 6 3s are 18. In the denominator you are getting 0. In the numerator we got 20. This is 9, this is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 0. Don't cancel this 0 and this 0. Okay, 20 by 0 is nothing but, something by 0 is nothing but infinite. Infinite is your result. Infinite is your result. Okay, remember this. Like this you have to do. Now this is continuity problem. If f of x is equal to k square x minus k if x is greater than 0, greater than 1, 2 if x is less than 1 is a continuous function on R, real numbers, find the value of k is saying. Already he is given the continuous, it is continuous, means continuous function, left hand limit, right hand limit should be equal to its functional value. Continuous function means left hand limit, right hand limit should be equal to its functional value. Left hand limit, limit extends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x should be less than 1. So it takes 2. So your answer is 2, constant. It is independent of x. No need of substitution and directly you will get the 2l. RHL. Now limit extends to 1 plus. This 1 plus means greater than 1. Greater than 1 k x minus k. K square x minus k, that is k square minus k, by substituting x value as 1. Now f of 1, its function value equal to is there. So I can take this one k square minus k. And is given left hand, right hand and its function value. Both equal, k square minus k equal to 2, k square minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Taking the factors for this, k square minus 2k plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Take k common from these two. So k plus 1. From these two I took minus 2 common, k plus 1 equal to 0. K equal to minus 1 and k is equal to 2. We got the two values of k here. Now we will go further. Limit exists or not, check for this function. He may give it in such a way. X plus 2 minus 1 less than x less than equal to 3. X square if 3 is less than x less than 5. Okay. Now at x is equal to 3 we have to check it. Now left hand limit. Limit extends to 3 minus. 3 minus means less than 3. Less than 3 means where x is less than 3, here it is. X plus 2. X plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. RHL, limit extends to 3 plus. 3 plus is more than x. More than 3. More than 3 it takes here. So x square. It indicates the function x square. 3 square, that is 9. F of function value, exactly 3 means here. That is x plus 2. So we got 5. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Limit does not exist for this given function. Like this you have to mention. Whenever left hand limit and right hand limit is not equal, then no need of go for the continuity, though it fails. Okay, next. Now children, this is differentiation. The derivative of 5 sin x plus e power x log x. Now let me take y is equal to 5 sin x plus e power log x, e power x into log x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to 5 into d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of e power x log x. Okay, this is a single function. Directly we have the derivative of sin x will be cos x. 5 cos x we got it here plus. This is in the form of UV rule. UV rule I wrote here, and this is the formula you have to remember. D by dx of UV can be written as UV dash plus VU dash. Okay, dash means V dash means derivative. Okay, e power x, this is V. E power x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of e power x itself. So I can write 5 cos x e power x by x plus e power x log x. That is your result for that. Now f of x is given as 7 power x cube plus 3x. We have to find the f dash of x. Find f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to d by dx of 7 power x cube plus 3x. Now this seems to be in the form of a power x. A power x derivative is a power x into log a. A power x into log a to the base e. So 7 power x cube plus 3x. This we have to assume as x. ఇది మొత్తాన్ని x అనుకోండి. అనుకున్న తర్వాత it seems to be in the 7 power అంటే 7 power x అనుకోండి. 7 power x అంటే ఫార్ములా అంటే 7 power x into log 7. ఇంతవరకు రాసేస్తున్నాం. 7 power x cube plus 3x into log 7 రాసాం. మరి ఇది మొత్తం x అనుకున్నాం కదా. What we assumed? X cube plus 3x as a x, so its derivative is there beside of that. D by dx of x cube plus 3x will be there beside of that. ఏదైతే మనం x అనుకున్నాం దాని డెరివేటివ్ పక్కన ఉంటుంది నాన్న. Now I will make the derivative of x cube is 3x square, and the derivative of 3x, 3 is a constant outside we can keep it. Derivative of x will be 1, 3x square plus 3 into 7 power x cube plus 3x and the log 7 to the base e. That is your result for that. And d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d, and we have u by v. It is in the form of u by v. What is that u by v? D by dx of u by v is vu dash minus uv dash by v square. This is the formula for u by v fact. So cx plus d into derivative of ax plus b. B is a constant, derivative 0, and ax, x coefficient, x derivative is 1. 1 into a will be a. And here ax plus b into derivative of this one will be c. So we got it like this, and internal multiplication. acx plus ad minus acx minus bc. So acx minus acx plus will cancel. Okay, ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. This is the remaining term. That is your answer for that. So here, if f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus x plus so on x power 100, then find f dash of 1, he is saying. Now find the derivative of that one. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x cube, next one 3x square plus so on. Derivative of x power 100 is 100 into x power 100 minus 1, that is 99. Now we are using the formula. Okay. Derivative of f dash of 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 100. I can write this is nothing but sigma 100. Sigma n formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. So 50 into 101 is by, that is nothing, 50. Your answer will be. And y is equal to log of sine of log x. We have 3 functions here internal. So we have to find the dy by dx. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, you will have dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this value. And d by dx of log of sine of log x. First of all, you have to assume that this sine of log x as x, so that it seems to be in the form of log x. ఇది మొత్తాన్ని నువ్వు x అనుకుంటే ఇది log x ఫామ్ లో కనపడుతుంది. సో log x డెరివేటివ్ ఎంతమ్మా 1 by x. x ప్లస్ లో ఎంత ఉంది, ఇంత ఉంది, అంటే 1 upon sine of log x వస్తుంది ఇంటూ మనం ఏదైతే డెరివేటివ్ అది x అనుకున్నామో పెద్ద వాల్యూని, ఆ పెద్ద వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది d by dx of sine of log x. Whatever we took the large value as x, that value should be there beside of its derivative will be there, d by dx of sine of log x. Now I can write this 1 by sine of log x into cos, derivative of sine is cos of log x. Here I am assuming cos x is x, so that I got cos log x into derivative of whatever I assumed here as log x as x, so its derivative is there beside of that. Cos of log x by sine of log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. I can write this one as cos by sine is cot log x by x is your result for this. Okay.